Greetings to all of you, my fellow entrepreneurs. Lonnie here with another review. Today I will be sharing with you another masterpiece, the AI Side Hustle Blueprint PLR. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, businesses face a multitude of challenges to remain competitive and successful. Among these challenges, building and maintaining a strong list of customers and prospects is at the forefront, making list building an AI, at its core, is the process of using artificial intelligence to start, create, and build online business, including creating valuable content, updates, or exclusive offers. But why is AI so crucial for business success? The answer lies in the incredible value and opportunities it presents. From social media campaigns, increased sales, email marketing, affiliate promotions, training, nurturing clients, increased product funnel sales, and much more. Not only can you pick up a huge launch discount today for AI side hustles, but you can also convert this product at 100% ROI for your own business. Since you get PLR rights, it's practically limitless in its possibilities. Here are a few things you can do with this powerful PLR. Sell it. Give it away as a bonus. Post the content on the socials. Add it to a larger package. Create an e-course. Create a physical book, bragging rights. Repurpose the content to audio and vid. I hope you all see the value with this awesome deal. Don't let me hold you any longer. Click the link in the description and check it out for yourself. Well, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next time.